Hello, good morning. Good morning. Ayan po, dito po tayo sa Decal Bayer Learning Center po. So, ang location po natin is dito sa Mamparan. Ayan po. So, guys, papasok po tayo. Diba? So, ayan, may mga kubo-kubo. Kalante!
Ma'am, sunod na po kayo doon.
Apo.
Diretso na po kayo doon. Hello! Live pa yan, ma'am.
Hello po. Hello.
Hello, welcome! Welcome po sa Bayer Learning Center.
Thank you, sir. Maraming tayo. Guys, ayan po yung mga ating sir. Ayan.
Pwede na natin siguro umpisan. Ito na po ba kayo? Lalo po ba? First batch? Opo, mas maganda po pauna po kayo, sir, ma'am, para makapagpahinga po kayo agad. Tapos, diretso lunch na po.
So, pupunta tayo sa second station. So, ayan. Ang baitang? So, ayan. Ito na tayo, guys. So, yan ang mga farmers dyan. Yan ang lalaki ng mga mais. Yan. So, dito na tayo sa second station. And then, sa susunod, pagkatapos po, dun sa kabila ulit. So, luwang na. Guys.
Diba tayo? Ayos.
Ayos.
Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Ayos.
Kakanta. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. Mas energetic na eh. 1, 2, 3.
Ayos.
Okay. Siya si Ronald Taquito, ha? Siya may team leader at Sayat area, ha?
Good morning.
How is everybody? Hungry?
Not yet, ma'am.
Very soon, okay? Lunchtime. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Welcome.
How many of you are already buying Decal seeds? Who is using Decal?
Almost.
Okay, let me ask the question the reverse way. Who is new to Decal? Who is new? Never used
Si.
before.
Mga bago.
Dati naman. Dati na po.
Datihan na po kami old. Very good, sir. Satisfied. Okay.
Good, bad. Okay.
Satisfied, ma'am.
But very expensive.
So that you can have better yield for managing your low corn price, isn't it? How many of you made profit in last season? Everybody made profit?
Always they said maliit behind that is legal. You can buy car.
Kaming mga parte sa mga members ng mga cooperative na kay mga asosasyon ng mga partner. Kung pwede nyo kaming bigyan ng una na lang ng binhi lang naman kung ano, kung halimbawa, kayo na rin ang halimbawa kung bigyan din namin ng ano.
Yung kita namin.
Suporta kami sa mga decal sa inyo na ano. Kung pwede lang sana sir. Yung suggestion namin mga farmer. Para hindi na kami lilipat sa mga variety. Nandiyan ang gamot nyo.
Total package na kumbaga.
Total package na sa amin. Pero kayo pa rin ang ano sa amin. Pagka ano ba, magkakasi, babalik din namin.
You will not get any discount. I think it's because we also had less stocks in the previous year for Decal. This year, we will have sufficient stock for everybody to use Decal and plant Decal.
Yes.
That's why the fake one resulted in people packing the fake one and selling, because we all want to buy decals, and unfortunately last year, because of the very dry season, we could not produce good decals, because the heat was very high for the first half, right? We don't want to give you low quality seeds. That's why we in Bayer suffered lot of production loss in the previous year. But we chose not to give the farmers the less quality decal. That's why we said no supply. Because I don't want to spoil your crop. At least Syngenta, Corteva, Bees, Bioseed, in the previous year you could get some yield. If I give you low quality seed and you don't get good harvest, you lose all your profit. That's why we said no supply. This year we have a better crop. You see that also. You know, in the area we are doing a lot of production. We will have the enough quantity, sufficient quantity seeds for everyone. Okay. So hopefully the price of decal will also go down.
Okay.
Because there will be enough stock, dealer cannot take control.
We only use that.
Maybe the fake will also come down, because we will have
Once
the
lang
fake.
gadto ka mo.
Nobody needs to do fake because of shortage.
Ah, okay.